Seek godly counsel. You are going to listen something important topic today. It is about wisdom. All person must gain wisdom. There are many steps to be followed. Before that, I will tell certain things. You just follow and we will find the many things how to gain the wisdom from God. Exodus chapter number 18, God's verse 13 to 24. You read it separately. I will tell you only one verse, that is, so Moses heeded the voice of his father-in-law and did all that he had said. Now listen carefully. It seems that we need to learn two life skills for survival. One, an eagerness to listen. Two, the willingness to accept to help. Sometimes we don't accept help because of pride, but that's not always the case. Seek godly counsel and then follow through on what you are told. It is meaning that you should listen carefully the words of God and you should follow. You to take action. You should take action on the basis of the words that was told by God. So remember, Lord, give us ears to hear advice from loved ones. He who will not be counseled will not be helped. Now read Ephesians chapter number 6. Verse 10 to 18. I am going to give you only one important topic of this one, only one verse. Take up the whole armor of God, that you may be able to withstand in the evil day, and having done all to stand. Now listen. You need something outside of wisdom to measure. Wisdom is the ability to know what is true or right. Common sense or the collection of one's knowledge. I want to tell you an example for this. The best mind altering medicine is truth. Wisdom is a virtue that isn't innate, but can only be acquired through experience. Anyone who is interested in trying new things and reflecting on the process has the ability to gain wisdom. By learning as much as you can, analyzing your experiences and putting your knowledge to the test, you can become a wiser person to do anything. So, I am going to tell you how to gain wisdom. There are 11 steps to be followed. Listen from this YouTube channel all these important steps one by one in the coming days. This is the first part. You can listen the second part about this wisdom, how to gain wisdom. Thanks.